A classic Middle Eastern favorite here is a simple recipe for delicious crispy falafel. Ingredients: 1 cup dried chickpeas soaked overnight and drained. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 2 tablespoons olive oil. All-purpose flour for dusting. Instructions. In a food processor. Combine chickpeas, garlic, parsley, cilantro, lemon juice, cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Process until well combined. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Using wet hands. Shape the mixture into small patties or balls. You should end up with around 12 to 15 falafel. Dust the falafel with flour, shaking off excess. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Fry the falafel until golden brown and crispy, about 3 to 4 minutes per. Serve hot in pita bread with your favorite toppings such as tahini sauce, hummus, lettuce, tomatoes, pickled turnips, sumac or parsley. Alternative cooking methods. Deep frying: heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Air frying: preheat air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Grilling: preheat grill to medium-high heat and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Tips. Use fresh chickpeas for the best flavor. Don't overprocess the mixture or it'll become too dense. If the mixture is too wet, add a little flour. Experiment with different spices and herbs to create unique flavor variations. Here is an approximate breakdown of the nutritional information and calorie count for falafel. Traditional deep-fried falafel. Calories per serving: 4 to 6 pieces, 450 to 600. Fat 25 to 35 g, mostly from oil. Saturated fat 3 to 4 g. Cholesterol 0 mg. Sodium 400 to 500 mg. Carbohydrates 30 to 40 g. Fiber 5 to 7 g. Protein 15 to 20 g. Baked falafel. Calories per serving: 4 to 6 pieces, 200 to 300. Fat 10 to 15 g. Saturated fat 1.5 to 2 g. Cholesterol 0 mg. Sodium 200-300 mg. Carbohydrates 25 to 35 g. Fiber 5 to 7 g. Protein 15 to 20 g. Air-fried falafel. Calories per serving: 4 to 6 pieces, 150 to 250. Fat 5 to 10 g. Saturated fat 0.5 to 1 g. Cholesterol 0 mg. Sodium 150 to 250 mg. Carbohydrates 20-30 g. Fiber 5 to 7 g. Protein 15 to 20 g. Low-calorie variations. Use less oil or bake instead of fry. Replace chickpeas with lower-calorie ingredients like zucchini or carrots. Add more herbs and spices for flavor instead of salt. Use whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour. Nutritional benefits. High in fiber and protein. Rich in vitamins and minerals like folate, iron, and potassium. Good source of antioxidants from parsley and cilantro. Keep in mind that these values are approximate and may vary depending on specific ingredients and portion sizes.